unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
A persistent cough usually means a viral infection, like a cold or flu, and clears up in about 2 to 3 weeks. But if it lasts longer, or you experience high fever, chest pain, shortness of breath, or coughing up blood, it could be serious. See a doctor quickly for proper diagnosis and treatment.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.